Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. And Renee Waters asked me for her Thanksgiving request to make a pot roast, and she wanted me to make a cheddar casserole, cheddar cheese casserole, and cornbread. So I'm going to make the pot roast now. I bought this pot roast, and you can see it costs $7.90. So my rule of thumb is if the meat costs over $5, that I have to figure out how to get 2 meals out of that package, okay? So I'm going to cut this in half, okay? And that will bring my cost down around $4, okay? Alright, so you're gonna see me do that now, and I'm gonna I have some potatoes and carrots cut up, and I'm gonna also cut up some tomatoes, and I'm gonna put this all in the oven. So Renee Waters, this is for you, okay? This is for your Thanksgiving meal, and for anyone else who is interested in making a pot roast. You can see it says pot roast there. For your Thanksgiving meal, here goes. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, so here's the pot roast. As you can see, they have a string on it right here. I'm going to cut along those lines, okay? And let me make sure you can see me. Okay, that's a good spot there. Alright, so I'm just going to cut following the string. And I'm going to turn it to the other side so I can get the other side. Okay, I'm going to remove the string. Oh, I need to sharpen my knife. Let me get another one. Definitely time to sharpen my knife. Got the third one. Okay, this one's better. Okay, so you can see I ended up with 2 halves. This is 1 half, and this is the other half. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this bigger half, and this one I'm gonna save for another time. I can make a stew or something with it. Okay, you see, I'm putting it right in the bag. And that's for another date. Now I just cut my meat cost down to $4 for the meal instead of $8. Okay. Alright, so now I want to put some olive oil. This is my pan I'm going to be using. And I'm going to put some olive oil in the pan, in the bottom. And then I'm going to just take my hand and rub the olive oil all over the sides and the bottom. That will help with the cleanup big time. Okay. Now I have my pan all lubricated. Let's season the meat, the pot roast. Okay, I think I would like to put some, I'm actually gonna put some black pepper, and some Lowry seasoning salt. And I have my garlic paste here. I'm going to put some of that on there and rub it in. So I'm going to do both sides, so I'll leave that there a minute. So let me just rub the garlic paste in. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it over right into my pan. So the side that I just put the seasoning and garlic on is on the bottom. Repeat that process. Black pepper, Lowry's seasoning, and some garlic paste. I'm going to rub all that in. Okay, now I have my carrots and potatoes here in water. I'm just going to pour the water off. So if you're going to pre-cut your potatoes and carrots, make sure you put them in water, else they'll turn on you. You know, the air will make them turn a dark color. Okay, I'm going to put them in. Okay, let me let you see that so far. Now I want to cut up an onion and put in here, and some tomatoes. Okay? So I'll be back with you in a few minutes. I'm just going to cut up the onions and tomatoes, and then I'll bring you right back to show you that. Thank you. Okay guys, so I put the same seasoning on the potatoes, the Lowry seasoning salt, the pepper, okay, and I'm going to add now the cut up onions. Okay, I just cut them up into pieces. It doesn't matter whether you do it lengthwise or however you want to do it. Put that in there. And then I have some tomatoes. This is, it's about 8 small tomatoes left over from my garden. Putting that in there. Okay, so now I want to add some garlic to the potatoes and the vegetables. About another clove. Okay, 1 clove. And some salt. Okay, in addition to that, I'm going to add some olive oil. Okay? That's to lubricate those vegetables and get them soft. Alright. Now I'm just going to mix this in. I hope you can see me. Let me see. Make sure that you can see me. Yeah? Okay. So you notice I have the vegetables and potatoes on one side and the meat on the other side. And I'm going to show you that. See? So we have our pot roast in there and our potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, and onions and garlic on the other side. Okay? Alright. We're going to cook that slow on 350 in the oven. And at least an hour, because I want that nice and tender. Okay, so I'm going to put some aluminum foil over here. Now how easy is that, huh? Okay, let me give you the word of the day before I forget. The word of the day is, you see how I cut the pot roast in half? This is the word of the day. Save, save, save. Save whenever you can. Save your money, save your supplies, so food is your supplies. Save every way possible, because if you save, you spend less money and you can save more. See, another save. Did you get that one? I slipped that one right in. Okay, and that's what we need to do so that we can keep the stress, the financial stress, off of our back. The word of the day: save. Save everything. Save your supplies, your goods, your money. Just save for a rainy day. Alright, that's the word of the day. Okay. I'm putting it in the oven now, okay? Okay, guys. Our pot roast with the peppers, carrots, and onions is done. Let me let you take a look at that. Okay. And let me see if I can get a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Alright. Okay, so let me taste. Believe it or not, guys, it took an hour 45 minutes for that pot roast meat to get tender. An hour and 45 minutes. Okay? Alright, so let me taste. Got some meat. Some carrot, potato. Tastes good. All the flavors are coming through. It is tender. I like it. Well, there you go. There's one for your Thanksgiving meal. And thank goodness I did it in advance, so you'll know that it's going to take about an hour 45 minutes in order for your pot roast to get tender. Okay, so you can put it on before you start watching a movie, and then cut it off when the movie is over in 2 hours. How about that, huh? Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Let everybody know this is a pot roast dinner for Thanksgiving, and maybe they would like to know how to make one as well. Okay? Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Okay? Bye-bye.